Hello, cheers.
Sorry.
Oh, that was okay. That's my wife. She was throwing away a bottle at the same time I was getting ready to do a video. We're in a hotel in Atlanta, and I'm not going to edit this. We're just going to roll with it. Sorry for the delay, guys. So, all right, D7 here. Let's just look at Spider's weekly chart. If you look here, we've been going up, up, up. Last 3 weeks, we got a higher high, but this week so far, starting off this week, is a lower high but higher low, all as well. As long as we can just keep these highs, that'd be great, guys. I mean, we've been seeing the last couple of weeks these all-time record highs across the board. Nice. It's nice to see. Last couple of weeks have been really light on volume. It should be that because of what we've seen in the holidays. We do here at the Dow. Check this out. The Dow last 3 weeks been going up, 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 coming near all-time record highs. Really, really light volume. This week we're just getting started. Volume is fair. If you go here to the NASDAQ, the Qs, a lot of chop. The Qs have been under a lot of pressure, guys. A ton of pressure, but we're starting to release. What I'm looking for here is a release above these moving averages up to the upside. We have a lot of upside opportunity here, but we cannot go below these trend lines. Very important that we don't do that. If you look here at the small caps Russell's 2000, we were in dire trouble 3 weeks ago. Boom, back up above. We stutter step here, go sideways, and then this week, it's only Monday, so we get higher high, higher low. Things are looking well. Can this week grow larger? Again, these are weekly charts that we're looking at here. Financials, very important. We're down, down, down. 3 weeks ago, it healed itself. It came down below a trend line. We rallied back up, and then boom, we stayed above it and back above it. Go to a line chart, you'll see what I'm talking about. Support. We stay above support. We're trying to rally up. That's really good to see. We have to maintain that. We talked about that, I think, guys. And quick look here at gold, big symmetrical triangle, had a large drop this week to start things off. And if it violates this lower trend line, look to short this. But it needs, or this could be a good buy opportunity for it to rally up past this apex and break out to the upside. Silver is popping up a little soft here, but I like the double bottom. See this? W for winner, W for wonderful, W for wow. So that could get bullish and do really well to the upside. US dollar, take a quick look at that. US dollar was in trouble last week heading down, but this week we rallied back up. That's not great. US dollar should not be this strong. We're seeing a lot of strength in the U.S. dollar. You can see this big rally, and that's just not going to bode well for what we're seeing. And a quick look here at VIX. VIX rallied up, and we're down. Guys, VIX is under 17 right now. There is no fear in the markets, but we're at a lot of major support on VIX. Ethereum is down for the week. Bitcoin continues to go down, big time support level right here on Bitcoin to go higher. So this is just a quick video, and I hope that I can I hope this was helpful for you guys. Overall, I'll say this: the markets seem to be doing okay, even in the face of the inflation that we're dealing with. So with the economic uncertainties and inflation, the markets continue to rise higher and seeing all-time record highs. Do not be a bear in that environment. Being a bull in that environment is a far more savvy thing to do. Never fight the tide of the market. Never fight the trend. The trend is your friend. Never forget that. That will help you going northbound. We teach this stuff pretty deeply. January, I think 13th, 14th, 15th, or 15th. It's the weekend of January. So, 2 or 3 weeks into January, we are doing a mentorship. Feel free to join us. Find us online at Grok Trade. But we're here just to let you guys know the markets, as long as we can stay above those trend lines, as long as we can stay above those moving averages, as long as we can keep moving higher, we're okay. My concern will be when we start breaking below those trend lines. If we start breaking lower than those trend lines, that will be a very big warning to me, and I will want to be flat the market and be maybe picking up some short positions in that sort of bearish environment. I don't see a top anytime soon. I see this continuing higher. I will certainly let you know in our videos, and if you haven't subscribed, feel free to do so. But when I start to see a market top, I'll be calling out warnings that this is something that we should be paying special attention to. Now, why am I in Atlanta? I live in Tampa, but we went back to Indiana for the holidays and been living in a hotel forever. I have a daughter that is at the Passion Conference at the Mercedes-Benz Arena here in Atlanta. It's only for 18-year-olds to 25-year-olds. She fits in that category, and she badly wanted to be here. We made it happen. So this is our last hotel night until we get back home to Tampa. I'm looking forward to being back home in my own bed. So, but it's been a fantastic trip. I hope you guys, let me know in your comments, how your holidays have been. How was your Christmas? How was your thing? I don't even know if you'll answer that, to be quite frank. You may not tell me what you've been doing. One question I do have is, I got a few of you guys saying, where's your weekend video? And one of you guys, I forget your name, I'm sorry, but you're a compliance guy for Citi and Citigroup. But how many of you guys, first, hey, thanks for saying, hey, where's the weekend edition video? It lets me know that you guys actually want them. But secondly, how many of you guys are institutional traders or family offices? And you know if that's you, or if you are fund managers in any way, shape, or form. If you are a fund manager, a family office, an institution, let's be friends. Let's connect. My email is des@groktrade.com. And let's be friends. Let's connect. Very interested to see the individuals who listen to my commentary on a semi-regular basis. So anyway, that's us. Thanks for hanging out. And I'm going to see if my laptop can crunch this video, because I do with the editing program that I have on it, and hopefully I'll get it out there on the interweb for you guys. If you like it, leave me some sort of comment. Give me some love, because I'll tell you I love you. I love each and every one of you guys. Catch up with you.